Good morning, everyone. Today we'll start with the chapter number 4, Major Landforms. The earth is made up of land and water. Now, if you can see here, all the part which is covered with blue is water, that is covered with water, and the remaining part which is green, pink, yellow, the continent area, that is covered with land. So that is what they said, the earth is made up of land and water. Land and water. Around 29% of the earth's surface is covered by land and about 71% by water. So in the same I'll show you again. If you can see in this, approx 29% maximum area is colored as blue. It means that is covered with water, and the remaining, which are green, pink, red, yellow, these are the areas which are continent, means that that area is land. So around 29% of the surface is covered by land and 71% is water. Maximum is water and less is land. The surface of the earth is not same everywhere. Some parts are flat and level, while others are raised. Landforms are natural features of the earth's surface. The major landforms of the earth are mountain, plateau, plains, desert and rivers. Suppose I show you here only where I am standing. Everywhere the same landform is not there. Here you can see. Somewhere it is plain, somewhere it is tableland, like plateau is a tableland structure. The structure which is named as tableland. Suppose here you can see some landforms I have drawn. Mountain. Mountains are different landforms. It's not seems as plain. Plains. Plain is different one, which I have shown you here. It's the plain. Then somewhere is the peninsula. Peninsula, if you remember, the land area covered by water body in its three sides. Somewhere it is island, the land area which is covered by water body, its all side, from its all side. Somewhere it is river, somewhere ocean, somewhere plateau. Plateau I'll show you. It seems like tableland. It a structure like table. Here the stage you can see, it seems like a tableland. Somewhere it is flat and then a table like structure is there. This is known as plateau. Then first one is mountain. A mountain is a landform which rises from more than 900 meter. So that land area which is approximately 900 meter above the mean sea level, mountain covered about 20% of the total land area of the earth. Mountains differs in height and shape. Then the shape and height of a mountain can differ. It's not necessary the mountain will be same as I have drawn. The shape and height of the mountain can differ, but it is understood that approximately 900 meter from the above mean sea level is will be termed as mountain. Then mountain differs in height and shape, and they have very steep slopes. The highest point of the mountain is called peak or summit. Now, the highest point, आपने सुना होगा peak or summit. It is also known as, this is known as peak of the mountain peak, and this the same point is known as summit. Mountain peaks are mostly conical in shape, and which shape is the highest peak in the world? Here, mountain peaks are mostly conical. Here which I have drawn, you can see it's the conical. यदि आप ऐसे देखो तो it seems as cone. So this is the conical shape, and they are talking about which is the highest mountain peak in the world. The height and shape of mountain depends on their age. Now mountains also have age, and the height of that mountain as well as the shape of that mountain based on or depends on its age. The Himalaya and the Alps are the young mountain. They are high and have conical peaks, And the Aravalli and the Appalachian are very old mountain. Therefore they are low and have rounded peaks. These they have given, that I'll tell you again. Right now you just need to understand we have different landforms: mountain, plateau, plain, deserts and rivers, and some more are there, valleys and etc.